Welcome to day 3 of Playwright Automation. In this video, we are going to set up Playwright from absolute scratch, step by step, and by the end, you will have a ready to use automation project running on your machine. Let's not just install the tools. Let's understand the project structure, like what is the meaning of each and every folder and file, so that we don't feel lost later. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to File and select any empty folder that you have inside your system. So here I am going to select this empty folder. It has nothing inside for now. Okay, once it is selected, just click here for the terminal. On the terminal, write npm for node package manager init, and then we want to initialize playwright project, right? And you can select the latest for the latest version of playwright. Select enter. Once you select enter, it will give you some uh, questions. So do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? We will go with JavaScript for now. TypeScript and JavaScript are almost same, like they are 90% same. So there are some just add-ons on the top of JavaScript which makes play TypeScript like more efficient, and you can say more related to the type of data and less errors. So we will select JavaScript for now and press enter. So then it will ask like, do you where the test should be created? Like we want to put our test is in test folder. Enter. Add a git work action workflow. Okay, we will select yes for now. Okay, here is the main thing. It will ask for you playwright browsers. So when we use this step npm init playwright, it will just give us the playwright files and what we say dependencies. It will not give us the browser dependencies or the browser binaries, like for Chrome, for Safari, right? It will not give us binaries to run the test cases on those browsers. For that, either we run this step later on like npx playwright install, or we can select true over here. It's up to you. So I will go with yes for now, and it will start the installation. So as it first of all, it will add the packages, like all the packages which are required for the playwright to run, and then it will download the browsers. Downloading the browsers, it's going to take some time. Like it will first of all go with Chrome, then Chrome headless, and then Safari and everything. So this step may take time. So meanwhile, it's installing the packages. Let's go here and understand this whole project structure that we have. Okay, the very first thing is you see this test folder over here. This is where all your test files will go, right? For example, they have given this example.spec.js. So every automation test you write will live here inside test folder, right? Then we have node modules. This contains all the installed dependencies. We need not touch this folder. So every time like we write some commands like npm install this, install that, all the modules for this project will go inside this node modules. Okay, and then we have package.json. So whatever dependencies you will install, like which are required for the project to run, those all will be listed down over here. Like here for now we have installed playwright, right? So the dependencies for playwright are mentioned over here. And then we have playwright.config.js. This is the heart of our project. Like this is here you configure the browsers, timeouts, base urls, test settings, retries. We will customize this heavily in the upcoming videos. So I think so in this video we successfully created a node project, installed playwright, and understood the project structure. So in the next video we will understand some test annotations and async and await in playwright, the core of writing stable text. So see you in the next one.